I'm Charlotte. I'm an employment advisor at BMA Cymru Wales. I'm here to talk to you about your leave and entitlements. You've got the right to request leave on any day, either a normal working day or when you're rostered to be on call. However, your employer does not have to grant leave for an on-call duty. You may wish to check the bank holidays throughout the year and your on-call duties to check if there's a clash. If there is, you are allowed to ask another junior doctor for a swap. You are entitled to allocated time for study leave for required learning and career advancement. The amount of time varies depending on your grade. If you believe that your request for leave or expenses is unreasonably refused, you can choose to appeal. If you feel your working conditions are impacting on your health, you have the right to request an occupational health assessment or adjustments to your rota. You're contractually obligated to inform your employer at the earliest opportunity if you are unwell. Once you have informed your employer, it is then their responsibility to provide cover for that shift. This can be any leave with the exception of annual leave or study leave. Foundation trainees are entitled to 20 days and all other trainees 14. If you find yourself reaching this limit or exceeding this limit, you may find that the training programme requires a review of your progress and it could lead to an extension in training. There are a number of eligibility criteria which need to be met in order for you to be entitled to paid or unpaid maternity leave. We have a really useful tool for you to calculate these entitlements, which can be found on our website.